Здравствуйте, меня зовут Маша.
Меня зовут Саша.
Меня зовут Виолетта, мне 15 лет.
Я люблю торт, пекинская капуста и арбуз.
Я хочу пойти в торговый центр ГУМ.
У меня есть кошка и собака.
Я люблю есть блины, пекинская капуста.
The ASU Russian StarTalk program is a great way for high school students to begin learning Russian in a collaborative and immersive environment. The program runs for 3 weeks in the summer and is completely free.
I love language so much, and it's such a cool thing to learn. Like, once you know a language, you understand it, and it's one of the best feelings.
Russian sounds really neat to me, and I love how it's written, so like the Cyrillic alphabet, I don't know, looks really neat.
I knew I liked languages, but I didn't realize how much I enjoyed learning a language. Learning Russian, that's completely out of my comfort zone. That's not like anything I've ever done before, and it was really enjoyable.
This is a complete immersion program with instructors using the target language about 90% of the time. Our stellar instructional team is trained in the latest pedagogy to help bring students from complete beginners to the novice mid-level. That amount of progress is very impressive to achieve in just 3 weeks.
I've studied French and Japanese before. I've spent 2 years in both of those languages, but even with just 3 weeks of immersion Russian, I feel like I've progressed much faster in that than anything else.
I really like the teachers. It didn't feel like if you make a mistake, they're going to kill you. It was more like they'd help you instead of just being like, why don't you know that you're a bad student? It was really fun.
We strive to teach language through meaningful, real-world content and interactions. Not only does this help our students gain in proficiency, it more importantly perhaps instills in them a true love for learning about other languages and cultures.
I really liked Skyping with the people in Bishkek. We got to see a lot about what they do, and they showed us their food, like what they had for dinner. When we'd messed up, they kind of knew what we were saying a little bit, and when they messed up, we kind of knew what they were saying.
I just like culture. I like learning about people. I like understanding people. I really want to go to Russia and kind of like experience Russia from a Russian's point of view.
Students work in small groups and have the added bonus of having 4 instructors in the classroom, which aids in our flipped classroom model. While it's still an intensive language program, we've structured it to be a safe, fun, and collaborative learning environment.
I mean, at the beginning I was nervous. I was dropped in with a bunch of people I didn't know. But over the 3 weeks I've really grown close with them.
Also, the people were just really nice. I've made some real friends, and all of the teachers were so nice.
The first day is very intense and you don't expect it, but it's fully immersion and you're gonna learn so much about it. It was really exciting.
We are always blown away by the amount of progress our students make. It's a true testament to just how amazing these students and our instructors really are.
I thought 3 weeks was gonna be like days of the week, whether we actually learned so much like interpersonal stuff. It was pretty amazing. Like I only knew how to say maybe привет, да, нет at the start. It's really amazing like we could talk to people like actually in Russia.
I learned a lot because I knew absolutely nothing, and right now I can say a little introduction of myself and basic sentences. I was absolutely definitely surprised.
We challenge our students to get out of their comfort zones, continue their language learning. We want them to study abroad. We're just creating that initial spark and hope that our students fan the flame and continue to explore the world through language and culture.
Wow, I really loved the program. It was a great experience.
The instructors are great, the movies that we watch are amazing, the games are amazing.
It's like they were getting us ready to move there already.
I really, really recommend it because there's no downside to doing it. You will learn, and it's a lot of fun.
If you're thinking about doing Russian StarTalk, definitely do it. I'm not plugging StarTalk, but honestly, it was a really nice experience.
It's really important to be able to speak to people of different cultures, and this definitely gave me a start to my language learning journey.
Malinka, Maya, Malinka.